Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 CPU running at 100% all the time. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. When it opens, click on the CPU column to sort processes by usage. Look at the top of the list and find any app using a lot of CPU. If you see something you do not need, like extra browser tabs or unused apps, right-click on it and choose End Task. Be careful not to close system processes. Next, go to the Startup Apps tab inside Task Manager. Here you will see programs that start when your computer turns on. Disable anything that is not important. This will reduce CPU load in the background. Now, click on the Start menu and search for Services. Open it. Scroll down and find Sysmain. Right-click on it and choose Stop. This service can sometimes cause high CPU usage. After that, open the control panel and go to Power Options. Select the High Performance plan. This helps your system run more smoothly and can reduce CPU spikes. Finally, run a full antivirus scan. High CPU usage can sometimes be caused by malware running in the background. Use Windows Security or any antivirus tool to scan your system and remove any threats. These steps should help bring your CPU usage back to normal. Thanks for watching.